How to download the People Playground on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to download the People Playground on your PC, you will have to require and launch the Steam application. So first of all, you just have to tap open the Steam application and log in into it. Once that is done, tap on the search bar and then type in People's Playground. It will give you the option. Now simply tap on it from the given list. After that, it will take you to another page which is the information related to the game. Scroll down a bit to find the edition that you want to download or purchase. After that, tap an Add to Cart option, and once you give on that or type it, it will take you to another page. Now just press in View More on the cart or View List on the cart, and then you'll have to now select the payment method. Once you have selected your payment method, you will have to give the payment details. This includes the billing information, the card number, the expiration date, and the security code. Once verified, now you should be able to download the game on your PC. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.